How to recover a forgotten Tangerine password. Here's how to recover it quickly. First, open the Tangerine login page either on the website or in the mobile app. On the login screen, select the option that says Forgot PIN or Forgot Password. You'll then be asked to enter your login details, which can be your client number, username, or card number. Next, you'll go through a quick identity check where you'll need to answer some security questions or confirm personal details. Once that's done, Tangerine will send you a verification code to your registered email, text message, or by phone call. Enter the code to confirm your identity and move to the next step. Now you can create a brand new password, making sure it follows Tangerine security requirements for extra protection. After confirming the new password, you're all set and can log back into your account. This process only takes a few minutes, and it ensures your banking stays secure while giving you access again right away. So that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.